Steve, we've had a lot of 10 baggers. At the bottom of the screen, we have a crawl of some of our, greatest hits in the recent years. Stocks went up 10x, 20x. But here's the deal. Worksport, this formula that you have, this is the classic formula. By the way, none of those stocks, the ones that went up 10x, 20x, none of those guys even had this type of, this is like the classic thing where you have, this is like the classic business school MBA case study where you have, this exponential, when a product really takes off, you have those reorders, you have that granular, you see those granular metrics, dealer count exploding, the reorders are exploding.